Now, for one last final detail here, my throttle kickdown assembly is not connected. As you can see, the arm is just hanging down right here. So a friend of mine, very good friend, my friend Dan, the guy who gave me the 7-blade fan, also gave me an extended stud to be able to install here. And a friend of mine was able to put that stud on, but unfortunately it would not connect my accelerator cable properly. And I also have to replace these springs, because what was happening is, because it wasn't connected correctly, my accelerator was not retracting back and the engine was staying revved. So we just put it back the way it is for now, because this is the way she runs. She's quirky. And one last little thing, there's the power steering pump. That leaks like a sieve, so I actually put transmission fluid in there because it's got a thicker viscosity, or less of a tendency to leak on me. So there she is. That's it. All right. Eventually I do want to have my radiator record. I don't want an aftermarket replacement on there, and I've just got my reasons. So, and there's my fender tag. Alright, so that's it. I'm closing her up for the night, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this, and I hope to see you soon in California. Alright.